Okay, so we still have a bit of snow on the ground out here. So this looks like a dead-end road. Honestly, I like this part of Madras. All the houses look really well kept. It's quiet. It's a little farther from the freeway. So it's pretty quiet over here. The house itself, let's see if I can stand back just a little bit. The house itself, the paint looks pretty good. I mean, there's a little bit of wear and tear, but it's really not that bad. It looks good. It's kind of hard to see with the sun here. Okay, well, let's go inside. Something I wanted to point out here, it's really hard to see with the snow, but this is all concrete. And then looks like this is gravel. So you do have a decent amount of parking garage, and then you actually have RV parking, which is a bonus. It's really hard to see with the snow, but I noticed it, so huge bonus. So first impressions are it's clean, no weird smells. It's very, I do like these vaulted ceilings. It's roomy. This is actually a huge couch, and there's still plenty of space in this room. Okay. Let's go outside. We'll just take a peek out here. But a nice yard. I like this, like, fence is in good condition. You have a sprinkler system, which is great. Okay, this kitchen too, I like that there has been some upgrades done. These are nice cabinets. Once again, it's just clean. It doesn't feel like worn out. I like this window. This is, so you have a galley style kitchen that does open up well to the dining room and the living room, but then you have a lot of natural light here, which is obviously a bonus. Here's your this is gonna be your main pantry. You do have slow closing cabinets. Yeah, honestly, this is nice. This is very nice. It's clean, no weird smells or odors. Nice bathroom. It's been, upgraded, taken care of. Like this tile, how they run it all the way up almost like a wainscoting style. I really like that. Makes it really easy for cleaning and sanitary things. So here would be room 1. This looks like she kind of had it set up as like a beauty room, but it'd be fine for a home office or, guest bedroom, whatever you would like. So we do have little linen closets here, plenty of storage. You get hot water heater. Okay, so we have master. So this is actually a king size bed. So there's plenty of room. She's definitely, the homeowner's definitely taken care of the place and done upgrades and cared for the home. I like that the flooring matches throughout the house. So there are a couple little things, like, there's no baseboard on this wall. That's super minor, but I'm just pointing things out. Okay, and then third bedroom. Yeah, so this is a queen size bed, and there's still plenty of room in here. So we do have wall heaters, which is the main source of heat in the house. Washing machine and dryer. Okay. So this is a good garage. So There is no, this is interesting, there's no installation on these walls. I don't know the reason for that. Be a good question. But yeah, there's no installation here. Which is interesting. It's pretty cold in here actually. That would be something to kind of figure out what's going on there, but a good size. Honestly, this house is very nice. Like I said, it's clean. This space right here feels really good. It just doesn't feel like it's been lived in hard. You know, it's been cared for and maintained well. You know, newer windows, vaulted ceilings. Honestly, I'm surprised by this. I think it's great.